Recently, a groundbreaking drone designed specifically for firefighting in high-rise buildings was deployed during a training exercise in Chongqing. Developed by General Aviation Equipment Manufacturing, this drone is the first of its kind engineered to tackle fires at extreme heights. Boasting an impressive deployment speed, it can reach 200 meters in just 30 seconds. The drone is adept at operating in challenging conditions, especially in hard-to-reach areas that traditional firefighting equipment cannot access. Its primary mission is to extinguish fires in tall structures and facilitate rescue operations by delivering essential equipment for evacuation and rescue efforts. Aerial Scooper Drone. The Aerial Scooper Drone, developed by Drone America, exemplifies modern firefighting technology. This drone is engineered to extinguish fires by dropping significant quantities of water or fire suppressant agents. Additionally, it plays a critical role in rescue missions and fire monitoring, equipped with advanced thermal imaging cameras and other sensors. With the capability to carry up to 1,000 gallons of water, approximately 3,785 liters, its compact size and high mobility allow it to reach areas where traditional firefighting equipment falls short. The deployment of such drones significantly reduces response times, mitigates risks to rescue teams, and enhances operational coordination. Z50 Drone. The Z50 Drone, crafted by DDoC Making, is a robust unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed explicitly for firefighting applications. This drone features a system capable of delivering water or other fire suppressant agents, such as dry powder, with a spraying capacity of up to 50 liters at a time. This functionality enables rapid response to fires, covering areas up to 1,500 liters or 200 square meters in mere minutes. Additionally, the Z50 can carry fire suppression bombs, which are dropped vertically for precise targeting. Constructed from aviation-grade aluminum alloy, the drone's design ensures both strength and reliability. Equipped with 6 rotors and a powerful 17.5 horsepower engine, it can withstand wind gusts of up to level 5, maintaining operations in challenging weather conditions. The Z50 achieves a maximum speed of 12 meters per second and can remain airborne for up to 60 minutes on a single charge. Ehang Firefighting Drone. The Ehang Firefighting Drone is a sophisticated adaptation of the company's passenger air taxi, transformed into a versatile firefighting multi-copter. This drone is particularly effective in combating fires in high-rise structures, where traditional firefighting teams face challenges in access and efficiency. It is equipped with a 150-liter fire foam tank and a long water cannon positioned above the cabin. Furthermore, it features a launcher for fire suppression bombs, capable of carrying 6 charges that are launched at high speed, designed to break windows upon impact. For precision targeting, the drone is outfitted with a laser target designer and a high-resolution camera. Operating semi-autonomously, it can fly independently from the fire station to the incident site, with the suppression process being controlled by an operator. Ehang claims that this drone can effectively extinguish fires in skyscrapers reaching heights of up to 600 meters within a 5-kilometer radius from its station. SKX F07 Drone. The SKX F07 Drone, developed by Digital Eagle Technology, is engineered specifically for firefighting in tall structures. With a maximum takeoff weight of 40 kilograms and a payload capacity of 20 kilograms, this drone can cruise at a speed of 10 meters per second. It carries 4 firefighting bombs, each capable of breaking tempered glass up to 12 millimeters thick. These bombs cover an area of up to 36 cubic meters and release dry powder, effectively extinguishing fires without endangering lives. Firefighting units utilize the SKX F07 Pro in scenarios where traditional methods, such as ladders, are inadequate due to the height of the building. This drone efficiently delivers fire suppressant agents directly to the source of the fire, minimizing response times and enhancing the safety of firefighters. Y6 Drone. In addition to the aforementioned drones, the company has developed a multifunctional Y6 firefighting helicopter. This innovative drone is equipped with fire extinguishers for aerial firefighting, featuring 6 rotors that enable maneuverability in hard-to-reach areas. The Y-6 helicopter is designed for rapid response during emergency situations, ensuring timely assistance during crises. TF9 Drone. While most drones are designed for firefighting, the TF9 drone serves a different purpose. It can start fires. Equipped with a specialized flamethrower, this device can be mounted on various drone models, such as the DJI S1000 or DJI M600. The TF9 can shoot a continuous stream of fire up to 7.5 meters with a nozzle capable of holding up to 1 gallon of fuel, approximately 3.8 liters, and operating for up to 100 seconds on a full tank. Made from ultralight 3K carbon fiber, the device is both strong and lightweight. While the TF9 may seem extreme, it has practical applications, including controlled vegetation burns, field clearing, and rapidly melting ice in hard-to-reach areas. In the United States, operating such drones requires a license and approval from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. Advanced Unmanned Technology for Firefighting Aon has showcased its advanced unmanned technologies for firefighting with its latest drone, capable of tackling fires at heights that traditional methods cannot reach. These drones can ascend up to 300 meters, making them ideal for extinguishing fires on tall buildings and wind turbines. They are equipped with systems to spray water and fire suppressant agents with high precision. Each drone can transport up to 200 liters of water, proving invaluable in situations where time is of the essence. A notable advantage of Aon's drones is their rapid deployment capabilities, allowing them to operate within minutes in hard-to-reach areas while continuously monitoring and assessing the situation in real time. AI-driven firefighting systems. Advanced AI Solutions has developed the AIS firefighting system, utilizing UAVs to combat ground fires. These drones are equipped with state-of-the-art technologies, playing a pivotal role in early fire detection and extinguishment. They provide firefighting teams with critical real-time information, enabling autonomous operation and reducing risks to personnel. Equipped with thermal cameras, these drones can detect fires from distances of up to 5 miles, even under poor visibility conditions such as fog, smoke, or rain. Artificial intelligence processes data in real time, aiding in the coordination of firefighting team efforts. Each drone can carry up to 12 kilograms of powder suppressant agents, effectively containing small fire areas through a quick-release system. We invite you to share your thoughts on the showcased firefighting drones. Which one impressed you the most? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Kairos Show channel. Be sure to check out our previous videos as well. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.